First, let's set up our server. We're using Hostinger because they offer a one-click n8n template and plans starting under $5 per month. You can also use the link in the description to get an extra 10% off your first purchase, including any add-ons. But just a heads up, the discount only works during sign-up, so grab everything you need up front. When you click on the link, you'll land on this page here. Go ahead and click the purple Claim Deal button on the left side, and it'll scroll you down to take a look at the hosting plan options. In Hostinger's documentation for n8n, they recommend using the KVM2 plan or higher for spec reasons. However, you can get by with the KVM1 plan and then upgrade later as you need to. So for the maximum savings for our video, I'll go ahead and choose the KVM1 plan. For your situation, I recommend taking a look at the specs for each plan and then picking the one that matches your needs. Then click Choose Plan. Next, you'll be asked to select the plan term. You can choose between 1 month, 12 months, and 24 months. Keep in mind, if you do the 1 month plan, it starts at $7.99 per month, but then after that first month goes up to $13.99. Plus, they don't let you use that 10% discount that you get by clicking on our link. For the best possible deal, I recommend using the 24-month plan. This gets you hosting for 24 months at $4.49 per month. Scrolling down, Hostinger also gives you the option to add daily auto backups. For the best possible savings, you can leave this turned off, but if you do need to protect your data, I do recommend toggling this on. The 10% discount you get from clicking our link does apply to the auto backups, so if you think you might want auto backups, now would be the time to add it in. For our video though, again, for maximum savings, I'll leave it checked off. Scrolling down further, you're prompted to select the server location. If your automations are primarily for you and your company, pick the server closest to you. If, however, your automations primarily serve another audience, pick the server closest to your audience. In my case, I'll select the United States. Scrolling down further, you can see Select Operating System as an optional step. While it says it's optional, for our setup, we actually need to do this. So in the Search OS field, type in n8n, and then select n8n from the options below. Next, click the purple Confirm button in the pop-up window. Scrolling up, we can see the order summary in the top right. So our subtotal here is $107.78 for a 24-month term. While that is a little bit of money upfront, if you compare that to the cost of using n8n Cloud, their cheapest plan is $20 per month if you choose the annual plan. So for 24 months on n8n Cloud, you could expect to spend $480. So at $107.78, that's $372.22 in total savings over 24 months, or $15.51 per month. If you did decide to add in the daily auto backups, that's still $307.42 in total savings, or $12.81 per month. After you've got all your options dialed in here, go ahead and click Continue. Next, you'll need to register for your Hostinger account. Go ahead and plug in your email address and create a password, or use Google to sign up. After you register your account, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Plug in your address and payment information, and then continue. After you submit your payment, you'll be taken to a confirmation page with a countdown. You can click the button to continue, or let the countdown run down, and it'll take you to the next page. Next, there's a brief onboarding survey. It'll ask if you want to use Monarch's malware scanner. This is optional, but there's no harm in using it and there's no extra cost, so I recommend leaving it checked. Then click Continue. Next up, you'll be prompted to create a root password. Now keep in mind that this is a password for the virtual server, not the Hostinger account. So make sure to write this down or store it in a password manager for safety. Optionally, you can add an SSH key to access your server without a password, but for our purposes today, I'll just click Continue. You'll get one final page that gives you a summary of everything you've just selected, and then you can click Finish Setup if everything looks good. Hostinger will then take a few minutes to set up the VPS. When it's finished processing, you'll get this confirmation screen. Go ahead and click Manage VPS. You may be presented with a short survey on this next page, but it's not crucial to the setup process at all. You can answer this or skip it. So I'll just scroll down and skip it. And just like that, your virtual private server is all set up.